12 hours ago, it was 66 degrees, and beautiful and sunny, and now it's been blizzarding all day. Woo! Life in New York. So cold. Also, I can't believe I have to go to work. Sad day. Good morning. It is Friday. It is also the day of my first rehearsal. Technically, I should have shown up Monday, but it was so last minute that it didn't work out, so I guess today's gonna be the first day. I still have to finish reading the play. Shh, don't tell anybody. But that's gonna happen today. I'm so excited! I went to the gym this morning, which is good. I took it very easy. But my back now feels even better. It still hurts a little bit. Well, right now actually it doesn't, but like this morning it still hurt, which is why I took it so easy at the gym. Just kind of working on like stretching it out, you know. Now I feel good. Okay. News. I finally don't feel like I'm dying anymore. Yay! Once again, we're all dying. Moot point. Bodies can be so humbling. So I'm gonna go do some dog walks, and I kind of want to go to a Michael's and just be around craft supplies. And Christina and I are gonna get some dinner later, so it'll be good. And I feel like life is kind of now back on track because I feel like a person again. So things should be more interesting from here on out, you know, because I'm finally leaving the house again. Plus, the snow will hopefully be done and gone with soon. Fake flower section has always been my favorite part of Michael's. I think when I was a kid, or I know when I was a kid, it always used to feel like a little jungle. So it was like my favorite part to come to, is to like come and be among all the little fake flowers and stuff. And it's still comforting. It still feels good for the soul to be here. I picked up a few threads and some cloth and a very little tiny hoop. And I'm gonna try embroidering some things just because I love embroidered clothes, but I'm too poor to buy them from other artists, which I wish I could buy them from other artists, but money. So here I am at Michael's, getting some thread to start a new endeavor and checking out. Hello! I just got back from my first couple of rehearsals. I thought I'd be able to film some of them, at least a little bit secretly, but because I'm so new, I was used pretty regularly, so I couldn't break away to secretly film any of it. But tomorrow is tech! Surprise! For those of you who don't know what tech means, it means a start and stop of the whole show while the crew works lights and sound cues. It usually also means you feel like it's going to take the rest of your life to complete. Luckily, we're only there for 5 hours, so ready or not, we'll be done. We'll be out of there in 5 hours. We have a couple more rehearsals this week, and then we have our first show. We are taking a bus to Albany. It's a fun group of people, that's for sure. And checked one off for my first New York City rehearsal. Surprise! We're gonna go have dinner first. Dinner! Where are we going? Tortuga. Awesome. Hello!
Hello!
I think this is our first shot together in a long time.
Yeah, that's true. Actually, that's funny. The beginning of February has been really weird!
It's been crazy.
Yeah, it's been a uphill battle.
To say the least. But, like, not only with social obligations and just, like, weird job things, the bed that we slept on every day, 2 of these boards got busted, and I thought, like, that would be the end. I don't know why. I'm super naive. All 4 of these boards are now busted, as well as up here. There's another break, so the whole bed is just sinking. And as a result...
It's already a very squishy mattress.
Yeah.
So kind of just as a... And then, I mean, on top of the bed breaking, for me personally, I just, Aunt Flo came to town, and my body was like, blah! And I just started getting sick, so then I was, like, in bed, and then because the bed is, like, sinky and quicksandy, my body was just like... And then I started spazzing everywhere, and everything just started hurting, and then I got sick or something, and...
Or something, yeah.
And now it's just, it was a debacle. Felt like I was dying the past, like, week and a half. Definitely.
And then because it was so squishy, and then the bottom half of my body was so far down, my sciatica started acting up, and I was moving like a little old lady. It was really funny if you weren't me.
Yeah, right, if you didn't have to be living it.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then when I get sick, I just become, like, I hate, like, dealing with outer world people knowing that, so I'm just like, I just have to act completely normal throughout the day, and then I just get, like, even more tired from that, so I just kind of, like, die inside.
Dealing with that Manhattan...
Know who I am.
Yeah, dealing with the Manhattan energy is just so, like, grating, and so our vlogs have been super simple, as per this one, probably.
See?
Thank you for watching.
It's the time of year, I feel like.
Yeah.
It's just that hard push.
Stay tuned for next vlog on Wednesday, though, because that will have, on top of all this, I'm going into tech tomorrow. Surprise, I joined, 3 days ago, and now we're going into tech, so Tech Week in New York, yay, on top of everything! So that should be fun.
Yes.
Oh man, falls asleep.
Yeah. February is really just the grind right now, it seems like. But
yeah,
that's what it is sometimes.
We hope you all have a great Valentine's Day, but most of all, love yourself.
Yeah.
Love yourself.
Good message.
Love. Yeah.
Have a good Valentine's Day.
Yes.
Well, even if you're out there grinding, remember to always keep making more! That's it. Bye.
That's the take. That's the take we're gonna use.